Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I would like to present to you a 2006 Saturn Ion Coupe 2-door color black. And I am going to fulfill a tour of the Ion Coupe, start it up, engine, bunch of the unique and performance data and details on the interior and the exterior. And today I'm at Automart Corporation in Hanover, Massachusetts. So with that said, let's get to it. Black color exterior. With light tan cloth interior. Get your power windows, power locks, power mirrors. This is my first Saturn Ion on my channel. Let's see how many miles this has. It's got 94,000 miles. Starts right up. Very easy to smooth steer. Very nice. Alright, let's go ahead and pop on the hazards. Headlights, they are automatic. Driver's side window is automatic. Now let's show you all the exterior. Standard wheels. Saturn logo. Alright, we're going to go ahead and pop the hood here. This Saturn Ion Coupe comes with an Ecotec 2.2 liter 4-cylinder. Awesome. Now let's tour the interior. Alright, we'll go ahead and see how it sounds. Awesome. Easy to use climate controls. Different zones. Radios.
I've taught his non-pitching hand, and then the Red Sox.
And this one has an auxiliary jack to charge your iPod, or correction, to play your iPod, and any other accessories that you want to play. Get your OnStar. Get your cup holder. Get your power outlet next to the parking brake. Very awesome. We're going to cut the car out there and we'll tour the rest. Now to get into the back here, one of two ways. You can fold the seat out there and just climb in. You just open this thing. You can just climb right in. Very awesome. You got cup holders in the rear here. Pull up the trunk here. Good amount of trunk space. Get your power outlet back here as well. Well guys, hope you all enjoyed the good tour of the 2006 Saturn Ion 2-door coupe. Make sure you stay tuned. There's lots more where this came from. Take it easy, folks.